Be ready. 15 seconds. My dear friends, the campaign to provide government jobs to lakhs of youngsters in the country is continuing. Today, more than 50,000 youngsters have been given appointment letters for government jobs. Receiving these appointment letters is the result of your hard work and talent. I congratulate you and your family from the bottom of my heart. Now you are going to join that stream of nation building, which is directly related to the people. As employees of the Government of India, you all have to fulfill major responsibilities. Whatever position you hold, whatever field you work in, your top priority should be to ensure ease of living for the countrymen. Just a few days ago, on 26 November, the country celebrated Constitution Day. On this day in 1949, the country adopted the Constitution, giving equal rights to all citizens. Baba Saheb, the chief architect of the constitution, had dreamed of a Bharat where social justice would be established by giving equal opportunities to all. Unfortunately, after independence, the principle of equality was ignored in the country for a long time. Before 2014, a large section of the society was deprived of basic amenities. In 2014, when the nation gave us the opportunity to serve and entrusted us with the responsibility to run the government, first of all, we started moving forward with the mantra of giving priority to the underprivileged. The government itself reached out to those people who never got the benefits of various schemes or any facilities from the government for decades. We have been trying to change the lives of such people. Due to this change in thinking and work culture of the government, unprecedented results are being seen in the country today. The bureaucracy is the same. The people are the same. The files are the same. The people working are the same. The method is also the same. But when the government started giving priority to the poor and the middle class of the country, the whole situation started changing at a very rapid pace, one after the other. The working style started changing. The work method started changing. Responsibilities were being assigned and positive results started emerging in terms of the welfare of the common people. According to a study, more than 13 crore people of the country have come out of poverty in 5 years. This shows how much of a difference it makes when the government's schemes reach the poor. This morning itself, you must have seen how the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra is reaching every village. Like you, government employees are taking government schemes to the doorsteps of the poor. After joining the government service, you too have to devote yourself to the service of the people with the same intentions, with good intentions, with the same dedication and devotion. In today's changing Bharat, you all are also witnessing an infrastructure revolution, and when the government is spending money and investing on infrastructure on such a grand scale, it is quite natural and no one can deny that it is also creating lakhs of new employment opportunities. Another crucial change that has taken place since 2014 is that projects that were in limbo for years are being identified and completed on mission mode. Half baked projects not only cause wastage of money of the honest taxpayers of the country but also increase the cost of the projects, and at the same time people are deprived of the benefits that they should have got from the project. This is also a huge injustice to our taxpayers. Over the years, the central government has reviewed and continuously monitored projects worth lakhs of crores of rupees to complete them expeditiously and has achieved success. This has also created many new employment opportunities in every corner of the country. After 2014, all the obstacles related to this project were removed and it was completed by 2018. When our government came to power, like all the pending projects, we took up the project and completed it. When such infrastructure projects are completed, not only do they create direct employment opportunities but also create many indirect employment opportunities. Real estate is a vast sector creating employment in the country. In the direction this sector was going, the ruin of the middle class as well as the builders was certain. Due to RERA law, there has been transparency in the real estate sector today, and investment in this sector is continuously increasing also. Today, more than 1 lakh real estate projects in the country are registered under this law. Earlier, projects used to get stalled, and so new employment opportunities came to a standstill. This growing real estate of the country is creating a large number of employment opportunities. The policies and decisions of the government of India have taken the country's economy to new heights today. Major institutions of the world are very positive about Bharat's growth rate. Recently, a global leader in investment ratings has put its seal of approval on Bharat's rapid growth. They estimate that growth in Bharat will continue at a rapid pace due to increasing employment opportunities, large working age population, and increase in labor productivity. All these facts are proof that in the coming times too immense possibilities of employment and self-employment will continue to be created in Bharat. This in itself is very important for the youth of the country. Being a government employee, you also have a pivotal role in this. You have to ensure that the benefits of development taking place in Bharat reach the last person of the society. You just recall that and be determined that whatever problems you have faced in your life because of the government and a government employee, you will never want any citizen to face such problems at any point of your life. I will not behave in that manner. Just by deciding that whatever had happened to you would not happen to anyone else could tremendously help the common people. I extend my best wishes to you for your bright future in the direction of nation building.